is Wednesday morning, February 10th, Washington, D.C., and we're having our third snowstorm of the season, only this time with tremendous winds, and you can tell the wind really makes a difference in terms of visibility. It causes what they call near whiteout conditions. You can even hear the wind, I think. It's just blowing like crazy. This is incredible. Look at that wind. Wow, this is much, much worse than the first two snowstorms. The first two snowstorms were very quiet, no wind at all. This is going to result in damage. I hope nothing happens here to the houses or the trees, because we could lose power. All kinds of shit could go on.